Hello dear learner, I am Dr. Purnima Tiwari, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, Bhopal. In this video lecture series, you are going to learn about product of vectors. This is first video for this topic and in it I will explain about scalar product of two vectors. To understand it, you must be aware with the concepts of scalars, vectors and representation of vectors. Let us recall those terms in a brief. The physical quantities that are described by magnitude only are called scalars. For example, length, height, mass, volume, etc. The physical quantities that are described by magnitude as well as directions are called vectors. For example, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. The standard representation of a vector, say vector A, is given by A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, where this A1 is the component of this vector A along x-axis, A2 is the component of the vector A along y-axis, A3 is the component of this vector along z-axis, and I cap, j cap, k cap are unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Since vectors have magnitude as well as direction, therefore, product of two vectors is of two types, dot product and cross product. Dot product is also called scalar product as the resultant quantity is a scalar. It is given by product of magnitude of both vectors and cosine of angle between them. That is, dot product of vector A with vector B is modulus of this vector A mod of vector B cos theta, where the modulus of vector A gives scalar or magnitude of the vector A. We can determine this modulus of vector A by using the formula square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. And cross product of two vector is also called vector product, as the resultant quantity is a vector. Cross product of two vectors A and B is denoted by A cross B and it is mod of this vector A multiplied with mod of B sin theta n cap, where this n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to plane which contains vector A as well as vector B. There are some standard identities for dot product of mutually orthogonal unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap. Dot product of I cap with itself equal to 1. When we take dot product of j cap with j cap, we get 1. And similarly, dot product of k cap with itself equal to 1. If we take dot product of I cap with j cap, we get 0. Dot product of I cap with the vector k cap is also 0 and dot product of j cap with k cap is 0. And as this dot product of two vector is commutative, we can also write dot product of j cap with I cap is 0, dot product of k cap with I cap is also 0 and dot product of k cap with j cap is 0. Next we will find formula to obtain dot product of two given vectors. It is given by the statement the scalar product of two vectors is equal to the sum of product of their corresponding components. That is, if vector A, which is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector B, which is b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap be the given vectors, then it gives A dot B is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Now we will derive this result. A and B are given vectors and we have to find their dot product A dot B. We will do usual product and we will apply the standard identities. So, it is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap dot product with b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. First we will do usual multiplication. So, this would be a1 multiplied with b1 and I cap dot I cap. Then we will multiply this term with the second term, we will get a1 into b2 I cap dot j cap. The third one a1 b3 I cap dot k cap. The next time we will apply the second term with all three terms in the second vector. We will get a2 b1 j cap dot I cap plus a2 b2 j cap dot j cap plus a2 b3 j cap dot k cap. And then we will apply this last term with all three terms. So, plus a3 b1 k cap dot I cap plus a3 b2 k cap dot j cap plus a3 b3 k cap dot k cap. Now, when we apply standard identities, the value of I cap dot j cap is 0. So, this term will be eliminated. I cap dot k cap is also 0. So, this term will also be eliminated. Likewise, j cap dot I cap 0. J cap dot k cap is 0, k cap dot I cap is 0 and k cap dot j cap is 0. So, all those terms will be eliminated and we will get a1 b1 as I dot I, this term equal to 1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. So, on solving we will get a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So, on applying all the standard identities, we get dot product of A and B is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So, now we will use this as a formula to find scalar product of two vectors. Let us solve one example. In this question, vector A is given as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, and vector B is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and we have to find dot product of vector A and vector B. So, first in the solution, we will compare this vector A with the standard form A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and we will find the value of components A1, A2, A3. Now, on comparing these two vectors, we get A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 3 and A3 is equal to 1. When we compare this vector B with the standard vector B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, B1 is 1, B2 is 1, B3 is 2. Now, we will apply this formula for the product of two vectors. A dot B is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So, we will substitute the values of the coefficient A1 B1, A2 B2 and A3 B3. So, we will get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So, we will get 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, 7. So, in this given case, dot product of vector A and B is 7. That is our answer. In next question, we will find product of vector A, where A is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector B is 2i cap minus j cap minus 4k cap. So, first we will compare this vector A with standard form A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and we will get the values of the components A1. A1 is 1. Now, see, here the coefficient of j cap is minus 2 and here A2. So, A2 is minus 2, A3 is 3. Next, we will compare this vector B with the standard form B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. On comparing, we will get B1 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 1 and B3 is equal to minus 4. Now, we will apply formula to calculate dot product of two vectors, which is A dot B is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, and we will substitute values of the coefficients A1, B1, A2, B2, A3 and B3. So, A1 is 1, B1 is 2 plus A2 is minus 2, B2 is minus 1 plus A3 is 3, B3 is minus 4. So, on solving we will get 2, this minus minus plus 2 and this minus plus minus 12. So, we will get 8, please change. So, on solving we get 4 minus 12 and it is equal to minus 8. Thus, in this case, dot product of these two given vector A and B is minus 8. That's our answer. You may solve some more question for the practice. In the next video for this topic, I will explain about vector product of two vectors. Thank you so much.